An officer catches a vehicle going 85 miles an hour in a 45 mile an hour zone, and they don't stop when he initiates a traffic stop. When the vehicle gets stuck at a red light, the officer uses the opportunity to approach the driver, and he's about to pull off a 200 IQ move.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
200 IQ move.
I got him at Piedmont. I'm deploying Terminator. Hey, what are you doing? I'm trying to stop you back there.
Oh, I don't see no lights.
Hold on, what'd they say? We gotta go back, y'all. I gotta see what that said, cuz. A Terminator is essentially a mini stop stick that will deflate the tires if they try to drive off. Okay. What's a 200 IQ move though? Does that mean the person has IQ of 200 and they're gonna do something stupid? Or is that a police term just in case they do something stupid? You know who it is. It's your boy Rome in the house in your mouth. When we roam him in the house and not in your mouth like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh.
Stop you back there.
Oh, I don't see no lights.
What are you talking about? Red and blue's behind you and sirens. For like a mile. You got your license, registration, for
Yeah, I do.
Take off.
Do you mind if I pull up?
No, you can stay right here. You don't have a license?
Yeah, I do. I'm talking about my registration.
Look at me.
Hold on, I have it.
Alright. What's the reason for the speed?
My granddaughter, she just hurt herself at my house, and I'm really just trying to get there so that I can take her to the house.
So that justifies you going 85 and 45?
No cap, baby.
Going through traffic, almost hitting people?
Shit, no cap.
Blowing my doors off?
I wasn't about.
And then not stopping for the police?
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be argumentative. I'm just really trying to get to my granddaughter. That's
okay.
all.
If you crash into 8 people and flee from the police in the process.
No, sir. I don't. I have license.
It's kind of an issue, right?
You're right.
All right.
But I did.
Give me 1 second. Stay here.
Do it. I'm out of there. I'm out of there. And deflated the tire. Come on, lady. You're too old for that.
Kilo to
Grandma.
Am I good to continue because she hit the stop stick? Vehicle just took off on me, hit the stop sticks. They're traveling westbound 436. You want me to break it off or can I go? Got me. They're slowing down at the light here.
Kilo 2, where you at?
We're still westbound. Normal speeds.
Alright, I'm in the number 3 lane.
Copy, she's getting stand by, just turning left when we get to the street name. Left on Roger Williams, and it's a good stick hit. Her driver back tire is out.
16, I'm with you now.
Okay, but this light is turning red, so if you can get in front for a VIP.
Why are you driving slow if you're going to take off on the cop? What's the point?
Yeah, whenever they slow down, that tire's about to rip off.
Y'all hear that music, man? They going to flag me for it. This video might get flagged.
Kilo 2, can we have traffic? We're attempting to take down now.
I can't control that either. That's messed up.
Whoa!
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
What?
Just
Did it flip? Dang! What happened?
Can someone get us on Sherlock? We need update. Put your hands up! Do not run! Do not run! Put your hands up! Put your hands
He
up!
tried to get out of there.
Get on the ground, all the way. Face down on the ground.
Yeah, you alright?
Face down on the ground. Don't be reaching for nothing. Let me see your hands.
Man, how you gonna say, babe, you are right? What? Man, look here, man. So that I'm already leading myself to believe that he told her to take off. She took off. She don't have no driving skills, especially with a flat tire. Tried to go around the cop, lost control, flipped it over. Now they in this situation. Stupid. Now everything they say is automatically a lie. You know what I'm saying? The cop got to listen to him and question everything. I understand you're in a rush to get to your grandbaby, but why would you drive off knowing I just stopped you for driving crazy in the first place?
Get out of the car! You need to get out of here!
I wasn't even trying.
Get out of the car! Get out!
Get your ass out the car.
Is it just you two?
Yeah.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground
On your
now.
face!
On the ground.
On your face!
I got cover. I got cover.
Put your hands behind your back.
I wasn't driving.
Put your hands behind your back.
What you mean you wasn't driving? That's too high IQ. What it do with SpongeBob, y'all?
Ken, I have 2 secure. No 36 so far. It's a rollover vehicle crash though. It's on its roof.
Okay.
Oh. Sheesh. You know what road this is?
No, let me go find it.
Kilo 2, you can release traffic. We're 10-4 here.
Hey, you good with them? I'll find out where we are.
Yeah. Why'd you pull off on me?
I wasn't driving. My girl, she just told me that I need to switch seats with her, and I was like,
You were driving.
no, I promised to God, babe, tell him, please. I was supposed to run. Like, she was driving just now.
I told you
said,
not to
babe,
leave.
I said, babe, please don't drive off in my car. He had my license. That's all we was doing. Can you tell me?
What?
With Base 44, a simple sentence becomes your website.
Ah, hell no. I'll be like, hold on. They pulled you over. They saw you in the car. Now you gonna try to tell them that the same cop that just saw you driving, now I'm driving, you trying to get me in trouble? How you go? Come on, man. I'll be like, you know what? That's it. She was driving. I'm telling. Girlfriend, I mean, come on now. Come, especially if that's not your wife, if that's your girlfriend or somebody you messing with, ain't no way. You just gonna say, okay, since you crashed, tell them I was driving, even though they saw you driving, so that way I go to jail and you don't. That don't even make sense. Because how are you gonna take off driving and somehow in the midst of y'all driving, how did y'all switch seats? That's what I want to know. That's what, if I was a cop, that's what I would say. If you took off driving, how did y'all switch seats? Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, my girl, she told me that I need to get out the driver's seat so that she can take off. And I'm like, I have license, I have insurance.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah, why would you try to switch?
she told me that I need to get out the driver's seat.
Let's separate them.
We trying to get back to the house to my kids, so she was like, we need
Let's
to
search
go.
them, separate them, and then we'll put one in your car. Send it for me.
So you would have stood.
You guys both
Them two
okay?
women?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you? Is there any weapons in the car?
No.
Them two women.
I don't even know why she even said that she.
Cool. You guys are in the. You guys are both in the car that ran from me. That's why you're both handcuffed.
I'm trying to get to the damn baby, man.
She's trying to get to my grandchildren. Oh my God, this is ridiculous, baby.
Can you stand up or no? Okay.
You ridiculous.
I'll put her in my
that
car for now.
ridiculous
Yeah, that's
driving.
That's your bag?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna put you in my car for now.
They're saying they're fine, but I mean, okay, you didn't hit your head or nothing?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, I think we're good. Appreciate you guys coming out.
Yeah, we're gonna have our corporal come out here and address
Yeah, that's fine.
the situation, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
What
happened?
Man, the baby not too long ago recently had a concussion. Her grandbaby.
Who's the baby?
The baby's at the house.
But how does that lead to this?
I'm trying to get to the baby fixed.
Okay, but you ran from these guys?
She was in the passenger seat. I think you guys switched seats.
Why?
Idiots.
No reason.
So that answers the question. In the middle of what? In the middle of fleeing the police at whatever speed you was doing, y'all decided to try to switch seats. Like, imagine that. You're doing 80 miles an hour, 50 miles, even 30 miles an hour is too fast. And how are y'all switch? Man, I can't even figure it out myself. You try to switch seats in the middle of driving. So it means obviously one of y'all hands or knee or something turned the wheel on a flat tire. You lost control and flipped. That was the smartest idea they came up with. For what reason?
And she was driving, she was speeding. I said I didn't want
Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't have
Alright, don't be reaching. Just tell me if you don't got anything on you. No pockets or anything?
No. We just was going to get something to eat, and we got the call. Oh, my phone is in my vehicle.
Okay. I don't care about all that.
I put a stop stick under them because they were going like 90 and a 45. I dated them both, and then I went back to my car and they pulled off on me. So they hit the stop stick.
Oh, so you guys were stopping, you just threw a stop stick under there, and they drove off?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys were heading down this way off of everyone?
Did you happen to get the stop stick?
Yeah, I grabbed it.
Okay, cool.
I heard you say it, so I grabbed it.
Yeah.
And
So
I mean,
I don't know what to do, man. All right, we gotta Mirandize both real quick. Let me do her because she's my primary.
Yeah.
If you can just yellow card her and
Look, they even got the cops.
I would venture to say, yes. You know, you're not allowed to run from the cops. That's kind of a no-no.
all right. What's your first name?
Trail.
All right, Coach. My name is Officer Overall. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just so overwhelmed.
I'm glad you're okay.
I
Okay.
just got my tag.
Coach, can I talk to you real quick? Real quick. I want to figure out what's going on with you, okay? So give me 1 second. Let me talk to you. Let me tell you your rights because you are in handcuffs right now, okay? You have the right to remain silent.
Am I going to jail?
Hold on. If you start talking to me, you can always stop talking to me anytime, okay? I'm still trying to figure out what's going on. Do you understand your rights?
Yes, I understand my rights.
So I'm still trying to figure out what's going on. So, from the top, what happened?
Okay, me and my girl, we was going to get something to eat.
Yep.
We just put on our clothes and everything. We had got a call from my house that my granddaughter had fell and hurt herself.
Yeah.
We left from Kobe's and trying to rush down to get to my house.
Okay.
Something kept telling me to slow down.
She did?
No, something told me to slow down. And then when the lights was behind me, at first I didn't see him, and then my girl was like, the police behind you, just keep going.
So see the
I was
lights
like,
behind
keep
you.
going. I was like, but I have license and insurance. And she was like, just keep going. You gotta get to the house to get to your kids.
Okay.
Because her baby is there too. When you stopped us and I gave you my license, I was like, it's no point in me leaving that you already have my license.
Yeah.
And she was like, switch seats.
Okay. Why?
So that we can help me get back to my house.
Okay. So what happened when you guys switched seats? She just took off?
Yeah, she just started driving. She wouldn't stop.
So you have the right to remain silent. You understand each of these rights.
Yes.
Okay, will you talk to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So what just happened?
We was trying to go to the house to go check on the baby because we got a call that the baby we need to come take the baby to the hospital. So that's what we're
Take the baby to the hospital?
Yeah, her grandbaby.
Where's the baby at?
Her daughter and her grandbaby's at the house.
What happened when you guys got pulled over?
We got pulled over and we was waiting on him and we got.
What was the conversation?
Nothing.
Because at some point someone decided, oh, we should probably leave now. So how did that happen?
Quick thinking, I guess.
Quick thinking? Her idea?
I don't know.
You have your ID on you or?
No, I don't got my ID.
Come on, man.
You
So
got warrants
she's
or something?
squealing on her stud, and the stud
She got warrants?
don't want to tell.
Huh?
No, why you said?
Well, because you don't just run for no reason.
No, I ain't got no warrant.
Okay. What's your first name?
DeMartica, DAMA, RTICA.
Okay, so you're saying you guys switched seats and then she was the one that pulled off from the traffic stop?
Yes, sir. I put it on my description.
When did you see me when I was behind you? I had my lights and sirens on for a while.
Once you had walked up to, when I really actually paid attention, once we got to the stop, when the light turned red, I was like, the officer is behind me because there wasn't it's no telling who you were trying to stop. So I just kept going.
Okay.
So once I got to the light and I realized you were still on me, she was just like, don't worry about it. He's not gonna mess with you. But
was it worth it?
No.
Okay. Do you have anything else you want to tell me? Okay, is the baby gonna be okay? Someone's with her right now?
She's with my daughter.
Okay, how's your daughter?
My daughter's 16.
Okay. Give me a minute, okay?
Baby watching the baby.
Here, talk to her.
A little bit, but she didn't really say whose idea it was to run.
If you guys switched seats, you got in the driver's seat and you pulled off on me?
Look, you don't even want to tell. That's what I'm saying. People need to be careful who they surround themselves with, because you as a mama, a grandmama, no matter how old you are, now you somebody's grandmama. You gonna listen to somebody else tell you do something that you know is not right, and you do it anyway? Or the person that did it now don't want to say nothing and act like they didn't do it? You a grown adult. You should know better if the cops pull you over to not take off, regardless of what, because then it's just going to add on top of what's already happening to you. You know what I'm saying? You was already speeding. Then you're going to take off speeding and crash. And they switched seats real quick. That was real fast. They must have did it when it was at the light. When the cop went back to the car, they switched seats. And the stupid one with the white sweater decided she had the right idea and to do the wrong thing.
I already ran her.
Who
That's
said
dumb face. Look at her.
I'm asking you what happened.
I ain't pull up and go to the other seat.
Okay. What happened then?
I sat there and I waited.
So why'd you crawl out of this side first? How you do that if you're not driving?
Watched you.
Right?
You right.
I mean, we ain't dumb.
You right.
Why'd you do that?
Yeah,
You don't want to say anything?
Nah, not even that.
Alright, just because of this, they're gonna come ask questions, they're gonna check on you, probably get your blood pressure and stuff.
I'm going to take them both because they both lied for me.
I got
It messed the car up and everything. It made it 10 times worse.
What's that? Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's fucking sweet. I just don't understand why.
you. She wants us to try to find her phone in that.
Your phone?
Oh, red. She didn't have anything.
The suspect, who was originally driving, Cortrell, was charged with resisting without violence and unlawful speeds. She pleaded no contest to both charges, and both resulted in adjudication withheld, meaning the judge accepts her plea but did not formally convict her. She was sentenced to 12 months of probation and to pay $559 in court costs. The other suspect, who switched seats with Cortrell to take over driving, DeMartica, was charged with felony fleeing, eluding, driving with a suspended license, and reckless driving. She took a plea deal, pleading no contest to fleeing, eluding, while both other charges were dropped. She was adjudicated guilty and was sentenced to 18 months of probation, ordered to pay $401 in court costs, given a 1-year driver's license suspension, and ordered to participate in community service. The vehicle the suspects were driving was determined to be a total loss.
Now, one of the things in life is
Exactly. All the windows busted out. The back tires messed up. Everything is messed up, dog. That was a stupid, stupid idea. Not only did you not make it home with the food, you didn't make it home to your grandbaby, and you didn't take your grandbaby to the hospital. So she went through all that to accomplish nothing. Like, goal unaccomplished. You failed miserably. You got you in the mama category, grandmama category, protector category. You got straight Fs, F minus. And then listening to your dumb stud girl for dumb face over there that had the bright idea to take off, she got an F minus. It's retarded, man. That was no thought process at all. You know what I mean? And that's the problem. That is the problem with kids having kids. I know people make mistakes, but if you 16 years old and somehow your baby keep falling on her head, maybe you just not a good mom. Or maybe you not paying attention to her. How about that? Maybe you still being a 16-year-old, because if you're 16, you had the baby at 15. You know what I mean? Or right when you turn 15, right when you turn 16. Either way, you are still a kid. That lady's daughter was still a kid and doesn't know how to take care of a baby. You know what I mean? Probably texting on the phone or something, or not paying attention, and it's easy for a baby to roll over and fall out the bed. You know what I mean? And then hit their head, and now you don't know what to do, so you're just sitting there holding the baby while they're crying. That was just all of that was just stupid, man. Just not a no thought process at all. Don't make no sense, man. Y'all remember to call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy roams in the house, in your mouth. Romy roam, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Always, always, always keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Always tap into the lives. If you haven't tapped into the lives that's on the playlist, you can go back to the playlist and watch it all. Also too, on the hunt, on the chase to 2,000 subs. So continue to spread the word. We're getting a lot of new subs, so that's good. Subs are jumping up, so I appreciate y'all. Once we do hit 2,000 subs, we got a nice surprise for y'all. All right, so I'll catch you on the next one. Be easy.